Good morning, all. I'm Cheryl. Today I'm going to talk about nature. Nature is a gift given to us by God. It supports us in the daily life. Nature contains environment, atmosphere, and climate. It has living and non-living things. It provides us trees to breathe, food to eat, water to drink, valleys, birds, flowers for our use. In the name of growth and development, we are damaging natural resources. We are putting earth into danger. We are polluting air by releasing poisonous gases and smoke. Due to this, rivers are dried, plants are dying, and animals are killed. To be a responsible and great citizen, we must take care of our Mother Nature. With this, I end my speech. Nature is a place to. Nature is not a place to visit. It is a home. Thank you all.